Hello everyone. So this is Vishak over here. So today I'm going to showcase you my project called as Placement ERP, which was given to, which was done by to the placement department of the college, where we had given some kind of requirement from our college placement department that they face few issues while in the placement department. For example, whenever a new company comes in our placement office to the placement officer asking for a student, so they have to filter out the students and send out the details to the company. So they find it a little tedious job to figuring out the details of the students and managing the student details and then filtering it out depending upon their CGPA and then sending it to the company. So for in this case, what we came up with was this placement ERP system, wherein we will create a centralized app for the whole college itself, where every students can update his details and manage all his personal details, and also whereas placement department can get in all the latest details, and then he can also create a company, create a drive, so that all students will able to come to know which drive is coming on which day. So I won't waste much of your time, and I will straight go ahead and show you my demo of this project. So firstly, let's go and sign with the basic admin email and password. So once you sign in, you will see this is the front page of the website, wherein it's all the students you will see. Right now currently it's holding a W for the students, but this is how it will look if you fill in the correct details as well. The upcoming drives, so all the drives which is upcoming from the after today's date, whatever drives it will be showing over here, and total drives for the current year, what are the place students over here. So everything is managed with an API call, and it will be getting updated in the as on if the data is updated. So we don't have to worry about it. And also this website which we made is using a MERN stack. Basically the front end is made with React.js, and a backend we use Node along with the database MySQL and Xbase to talk to the server. So for this filter student is one of the important concept of this whole app. Is, for example, if the wants to placement officer wants some students who is from first, second, third year, and then he's from the certain branches, and then we can mention the CGPA. For example, a company comes with 7 CGPA cutoff, then he can enter this cutoff, and all the students above this cutoff will only able to register for this drive. So currently I will just hit this both play students and not play students. We are not here to build any students right now, so just for the demo purpose. And once it is there, he will be able to see all these details, he will be able to upload, he will be able to download his the resume. And also this, he can download the whole file in CSV, so that he can Excel, so that he can share it to the concerned company. Then comes the student sign up part. So we can do it with individual, and also we can do it a bulk sign up. Just upload a Excel file of the student sign up with particular columns which will be predefined, and then 600 700 students can be signed up easily. There is no issue. That's similar to the faculty as well. And while creating a company, so firstly, whenever a new company comes to a college, so what they can do is they can create this company details and executive details and other company details over here, and then submit. And once they create this company, then they can create a drive of that company. For example, I can create a drive on Wipro, when that drive will be, what will be the drive location, timings, and all. Once I click the submit button, what will happen is it will go to all the students who have registered for this placement ERP, and they will be getting the notification. So coming to the filter company drive, so all the companies which are there, they will be able to see. For example, I want students who have been placed on Cisco with the drive name, and then we can simply filter it out, since it doesn't show anything because there is no students who has registered for that drive. Because then finally change password, wherein you can change this password. So now let's move on to what the faculty will see. So this faculty we haven't done much. It's basic, because faculties will be able to only view the student details, because what we wanted was to have a centralized data, so that faculty also get the access of filtering the data upon the branch itself. So as you see, a CS faculty will be able to filter only CS student details, all that stuff. Let's sign out and let's go to the meat part. One of the meat part is student detail. So over here what you see, the cards over here is whatever the drives which the placement officer will upload, so it will get displayed over here. And if his cutoff is matching with the cutoff in his profile, then he will be able to eligible to that. Similarly for all the drives, if he clicks on the registration of the drive, then all the drives which he has registered for then it will be shown over here. So this is the upcoming drive section for registering the RAM, and then comes the profile section where you can upload his photo, is all his basic details. Basically you cannot update his name and email and other things which is important, which he can update only by visiting to the concerned placement officer or the faculty. Then he can also upload his resume and then checking the register tab and then change password. So this was our basic placement ERP web-based solution. Also we made it as a PWA. If you can see, this it can be run as a native desktop app in Ubuntu, in mobile phone, and in iOS. So this was also a kind of achievement, so that all the students will able to do it on his phones, on his laptops, everywhere. So this was a basic app. This was a basic placement ERP system which we made for our college, and which is we are currently being deploying it. So if you have any questions and doubts, please feel free to ask. This is my YouTube channel over here, and thanks for your time for watching this. Feel free to connect and subscribe this if you want, if you wish, if you like this app. Thank you for your time.